Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Instagram Reels copy link option not showing. For example, if you open any kind of reel on Instagram and if you click on three dots and you do not find any kind of copy option here, as you can see there is no option of copy link, then how you can fix that? First of all, you have to close the Instagram. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the Instagram. After that, you have to simply click on the app info. Here you have what you have to do, you have to simply click on the storage and cache, and here you have to simply clear the cache of your Instagram app. After doing this, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on force stop here, which means you have to stop your Instagram forcefully. After that, what you have to do next is you have to open the Play Store or App Store if you have any kind of iOS device or Apple device, and here you have to simply search for Instagram. After searching the Instagram, what you have to do, you have to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then what you have to do, you have to simply update your Instagram app. After updating your Instagram app, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. So we are going to open our Instagram and we are going to check where that link option is available. So we are going to open any kind of reel and here we are going to check. As you can see, they are saying we are moving things around, see where share and link. So how to check, you can find your copy link option. So if you click on here, then you can, if you scroll down, then you can easily find the copy link option here. In this way you can solve that problem, which means Instagram is moving some settings here and there in their new updates, so you don't have to worry about that. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.